表示 and 表的。表示 means to express or to show or to say or to state or to indicate or to convey thoughts, feelings, and attitude, etc., not only by words but also by actions or looks, etc. 表示 certain things or actions themselves show the meaning. For example, nodding head means right, shaking the head means wrong, red means good luck in China, etc. 表示 to show a social feeling such as friendliness, affection, concern, remorse, or agreement. The emphasis here seems to be more on the outward expression and seems to be more about feelings that are just socially expected. 表示 to express your thanks by presents or gifts, to express as something coming from inner you. This can also mean to indicate. 表示 can be followed by a clause. 发烧表示有病 A high fever indicates sickness. 他摸摸肚子表示已经吃饱了 He touched his stomach and said he was full. 有人表示不满 Some people expressed dissatisfaction. 警察表示还在调查这件事情。The police said they are still investigating this matter. 他表示愿意继续在公司工作。He expressed his willingness to continue working in the company. 请向他表示感谢。Please thank him. 友好的表示 expression of friendship, friendly gesture. 我们仅向你们表示衷心的祝贺。We wish to convey to you our hearty congratulations. 表示关切 show concern. Now we will discuss about 表达。表达 means to express or to convey thoughts, feelings, and attitudes. 表达 means to express or convey thoughts or feelings and attitudes. To express your soft feelings, emotions, and attitude about something or towards someone. With certain kind of emotions, express your emotions not only by words but also action or looks, etc. 表达人民的坚强意志 demonstrate the firm will of the people. 充分表达思想 fully expresses one's thoughts.